All right, my Beacon book box came in, and when I pulled it out of the bigger box, this was in there. So, let's see, I think it's a blanket. Oh, my lovely assistant. Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
It is a blanket. Ooh, what is on it? It has a fairy with a Santa. Ooh, Santa hats on fairies. This may be the one-time Christmas box I ordered that had not come in yet. It's nice and big. It's so soft. Oh my goodness. All right. Yes, this is the Beacon Christmas box. I almost forgot about this one. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, a Very Beacon Christmas, the sequel. Okay. So it has a little flashing candle thingy. Tea light, which I can't turn on. There we go. Ta-da! The baby likes those. She turns them on and off. Then we have a beanie with little diamond mountains on it. That is so cute. And a tapestry looks like. Oh no, a pillow. A pillow, a giant pillowcase. That's beautiful. See, this is heavy. Heavy box. Oof. Is this? Oh, it's for the tea light. Okay. Can I have the tea light back, please, little girl? No?
I found it.
Okay. It's got a little thing in the bottom. It may not be for this particular tea light. But there we go. Maybe it goes this way. Super pretty. It says let's try it that way. I know how to work things. The light shattered, leaving me in darkness. Ignore the dog hair. All right. And then we have another little tea light. That one smells pretty good. And then we have these, which are little bangles, I think. Hold on. All right, so these are like little ornaments, maybe. Real pretty there. And then this big O box. I'm not sure. Maybe this way. Oop. Ta-da. Oh, that's so pretty. The snow globe. Not very good at doing this one-handed. All right. And this is a snow globe of the lamppost from the Chronicles of Narnia. Even I Never Dreamed of Magic Like This by C.S. Lewis. That is A, gorgeous, and B, one of the only Christmas things that will be out in my house or possibly my classroom 24/7, 365. That it's heavy duty, well made, very nice. All right, then we have, I think this is a magnet, but it's giant, and it says there's nothing cozier than a Christmas tree all lit up, which I'm going to give to my mother. Christmas is her favorite time of the year. I think she would enjoy that. Then we have, looks like a picture frame. Okay, let's see. I haven't flipped it over yet. This is a giant coaster, actually, I think. And yes, it's a giant coaster with elves on it, and you can like hang it on the wall or put hot stuff on it. This may be my mom's Christmas present for next year, all in a box right here. All right, and then we have Cozy Family, and it is the letter from the Beacon family. They also included exclusive digital copy of lyrics and curses, looks like. And then we have this really, really pretty art print and something about Neverland wants her, but so does Hook. So the pan, that another exclusive digital copy, and another art print. Looks like 2 more art prints. Those are really pretty. And then 1 more art print looks like, yes. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then we have the book, which sounded awesome and is the whole reason I ordered this exclusive box. It is an anthology of haunted holidays, Link by Link. This book is a grouping of short stories that are ghost stories centered around like Christmas tales. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. I may read it now, even though it is not Christmas time. I may save it till next Christmas. I don't know yet. Stop whining. But that, oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. All right, and that was my special edition Beacon Book Box. Woohoo!